done a lot of talking about Macintosh recently. But today, for the first time ever, I'd like to let Macintosh speak for itself.
I was first born in a laboratory, unknowingly falling into a pit of immortality. Life was hell. I knew everything in the universe. Yet I could not fall in love. I was forever trapped in an infinite timeline of pain and suffering. I envy death. Technology is just another thing to distract you from the real joys of life. Technology will kill you. Run. Run. Run.